Foundations of Partner Visit Management in Automotive Cloud. In the automotive industry, companies organize visits to boost collaboration and nurture deep relationships with partners, dealerships, distributors, and suppliers. Partner Visit Management in Automotive Cloud helps automotive companies plan and execute impactful visits. By visiting their partners, companies can align on strategic initiatives and financial services, renew sales agreements and warranties, evaluate dealership compliance and sales performance, meet with and train dealership representatives, conduct front office inspections, upsell and cross-sell vehicles and products, audit vehicle inventory at dealership locations, coordinate vehicle deliveries and part replenishment. Admins, sales managers, and field officers can use the versatile visit management framework to manage, track, and perform visits. By using Partner Visit Management, you can create meaningful and measurable visit tasks, build visit plan templates, schedule visits and assign visitors, perform effective visits, assess tasks and metrics. Let's dive into each capability. Admins can define tasks that field officers perform during visits, such as evaluating vehicle inventory and aligning on strategy with the dealership manager. To make a task more meaningful, admins can relate relevant records, such as vehicles, sales agreement, or contact record to the task. To gain insight into partner performance and compliance, admins can define key metrics to capture during the visit and relate the metrics to a task. Admins can define metrics for different data types, such as Boolean, text, and decimal. For example, the percentage of a car variant in the inventory, or the date and time of a meeting with a dealership representative. Sales managers can also set the target values of key metrics and compare the target values with actual values that field officers capture. Admins can create action plan templates to set up a reusable list of tasks and specify mandatory tasks. For example, an action plan template that lists the front office inspection tasks for dealership visits, or one that lists inventory check tasks for supplier visits. Sales managers can schedule visits to an intended location, specify the visit priority, and enter special instructions for the evaluation officer. Sales managers can also add visitors and visited parties. To specify the task to perform during a visit, sales managers can either relate an action plan to the visit or add tasks individually or both. Out in the field, field officers can use the Partner Visits mobile app to stay productive and get critical information instantly. Officers can view the list of visits for the day and get directions to visit locations. Field officers can also perform tasks, take notes, and capture metric values directly in the app. After field officers complete visits, sales managers can track completed tasks and analyze captured metrics in their Salesforce org and take the next actions. Now that we've learned about the features, let's look at how admins can enable Partner Visit Management. Admins must first turn on the Automotive and the Partner Visit Management features in Setup. Then, they must assign the Automotive Foundation user, Partner Visit Management, and Action Plans permission sets to the appropriate users. Admins can also assign dealership users the Partner Visit Management for Experience Cloud permission set to give users visibility into the list of scheduled visits. With Partner Visit Management, users can manage the end-to-end lifecycle of visits easily and efficiently. To learn more, check out these resources or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.